Hello friends, welcome to my class. Today we are going to see the vertical component of velocity at half of the maximum height. Okay, so this concept is very important for NEET, JEE and MSET and other some competitive exams also. Okay, so already we have seen some final velocity in the previous class. So these concept is very much important. Let us try to understand. This is x and y axis which are drawn from origin point. Okay, and we know that this is the trajectory of the projectile, and this is the maximum position of the maximum point on the trajectory, and this is called maximum height. So, what is mean by maximum height? The displacement. Which displacement? Vertical displacement. Vertical displacement from the horizontal axis to the maximum point on the trajectory is called as maximum height. That is h max. We can write as h max. So this is called half of the h max, h by 2. Okay. So at this point, what is the velocity in vertical direction or vertical component? That we are going to see. And also second one is, that is what Vy we are going to find out. Vy is what? Here. Got it? Once. Look at here. Vy is 0 here. But here Vy is not 0. Okay. This is a writing Vy, and here the expression is there. But Vy at this point is 0. Remember. Don't forget. Okay. Next, final velocity and here. Okay, we are going to find out Vy and also V for this point or at that h by 2. Two expressions we are going to find out. Listen to it. Okay, here Sy is equals to what? H by 2, whereas this is total h. We are considering this is the displacement in a y direction, that is h by 2. So here Sy is equals to u square sin square theta by 2g into again the denominator 2 is there. Okay. Now we can yes, this is the Sy or what the displacement or distance in a vertical direction. Now if I take the vertical velocity or velocity component, vertical component or final velocity, which kinematic equation should I take or should I consider? 1, 2 or 3? Tell me. If I take 1, that is v is equals to u plus at, there is a t. Here we are not taking after t seconds the vertical component at h by 2. Okay, here this vertical component will not depend on the time here. So without time we have to take, that is third one is v square minus v square is equal to 2as. Okay, because we have found that Sy already. So then v square minus u square equals to 2a. Yes, this is what standard equation. So apply for the vertical direction. Vy square minus uy square is equals to 2ay into sy. Okay, this is Vy nothing but what? That we are going to find out. Minus u square sin square theta. Yes, uy nothing but u sin theta equal to 2 into minus g. Yes, a is equal to minus g when it is going upward direction. Sy nothing but u square sin square theta by 2g into 2. Okay, and this 2g gets cancelled. Vy square is equals to this going that side, u square sin square theta minus is there, and the u square sin square theta by there is 2. The Okay, LCM 2u square sin square theta minus u square sin square theta by 2 LCM. This is 2u square sin square theta minus u square sin square theta, that is u square sin square theta by 2, that is vy square. Clear? Then vy is equals to square root of u square sin square theta by 2. From that we can write it as u sin theta by root 2. Can't we write? We can write. This is u sin theta whole square. Square and root gets cancelled, and remaining root 2. Root is applicable for 2 only in the denominator. So this is the vertical component of velocity at h by 2. This much of velocity is there at here. Now let us find out final velocity. Final velocity at h by 2. What is the final velocity at h by 2? So always for final velocity, what type of or what equation of kinematic equation or what number of kinematic equation to be used? First or second or third? First one. That is v is equals to u plus 80. Okay. So this is final velocity. Sometimes we can write it as v is equals to vx. Okay, v bar is vx I cap plus vy j cap. V equal to, yes, I am taking only magnitude form, vx square plus vy square. Clear? Now v equal to vx is what? You know that vx is what? Okay, this is what, sorry, and this is v. Okay, so this is v is equal to vx is nothing but this is v cos theta. We can write it as v cos theta, or also we can write it as u cos theta. Okay, v by nothing but already is there. Add on u cos theta, that is square, plus u square sin square theta by root 2 whole square, nothing but 2. Take LCM. This is 2u square cos square theta plus u square sin square theta by 2. Okay, I am writing it as 2 times of u square cos square theta. U square cos square theta plus u square cos square theta plus u square sin square theta by 2. Clear? Now write down v equal to, yes, u square is common. U square is there, u square is there, u square is there. Okay, u square common. Cos square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta by 2. Yes, there is a by 2, and which is under root. And v equal to, and this is what? 1. U square by 2. Okay, this is cos square theta plus this equal to 1. This is under root. So v equal to u by root 2. Yes, when u square comes out from the root becomes u, and this is root 2. Then cos square theta plus 1, which is under root. So this is the expression or equation for the final velocity at h by 2, and this is the vertical component at the vertical component of velocity at h by 2. Okay, so these are the very important concepts. These formulas, okay, these formulas are very important for numerical purpose. Thank you.